99% of British motorcycle brands from the 1950s are dead. This one survived because of India. If you are a global brand eyeing India, this is the exact kind of story that you need to know. Royal Enfield was fading in Britain. World was moving to lighter, faster Japanese bikes, smoother engines and more efficiency. Bullet just vibrated, it was loud, it just felt mechanical. Technically, it wasn't perfect, but the case in India was totally different. In 1955, Royal Enfield began manufacturing in Chennai for the Indian Army, and that changed everything because India in 60s and 70s wasn't built for delicate machines because roads were broken and highways were rare. Fuel quality wasn't always consistent. Service centers were limited and most repairs were done by local mechanics. Now imagine bringing high performance, sensitive motorcycle into that environment. It wouldn't last. The Bullet did. It was heavy, strong, simple and easy to repair. Most importantly, it kept running. India did not need perfection, it just needed durability. So while the brand was struggling globally, India gave relevance and then India grew. By the early 2000s, incomes were rising, highways were improving, and motorcycle became about identity and not just about a transportation. Royal Enfield already had decades of trust. So that's why sales exploded from around 50,000 bikes a year in the early 2000s to over 8 lakhs globally in 2020s. Today it exports to more than over 60 countries. The brand that was once nearly collapsed is now one of the fastest growing motorcycle brand in the world. Royal Enfield wasn't technically superior, but it was intelligent. That's why it saw success in India. India didn't just save Royal Enfield, it multiplied. That's the real opportunity. Follow us for more India opportunity stories.